This is my own video.
Ito naman, no?
Ito ang magjowa. Say hello!
Model, no?
And here,
Sabi natin ng
ang mga kalalakihan ng Stay Alive. This is Junie.
Okay.
That's Gilbert.
Levi's.
And of course, ang jowa ng celebrant. Ay, hindi naman to pruweba, don't worry. Naman. And mag-move tayo dito.
Yung una niyang jowa, no? Una niyang
Ayan ang bakla, celebrant.
confirm yan.
Kumukuha ng camera, ng photos. Yan si ating Trish. Naman! And that's Daddy Jomel. And syempre, ang mula sa Old Tokyo! Bye. Jeff, I've got an interview for you. You've been to call center, right? Ano? Hindi lang?
Minsan lang dong, ano ba?
Minsan lang dong?
Sabi sa'yo, nagkabi. Magandang experience.
Really, dong? Okay, move. Right now, we're here in the train. We're going to Rotterdam. We'll have our dinner later on. Of course, it's AJ's birthday. Yan, magjowa.
Ang gwapo, oh. Ang bait niya.
Aerial view. Ang haba, in fairness, ah.
May memory na ata, yan eh.
Focus natin. Si Daddy Sunny. Yes,
Hindi ko kasi, oh, dyan ako.
yan ang kanyang magandang jowa.
Ha?
Yeah.
Ay, kukunan po.
At may blocking.
Wala naman na sinasabi.
Ayan sila, shit, ang sweet.
Yan. Hi.
Girls. Girls, yan ang ano ha, pruweba.
Oo. Ewan. Ayan.
What's that?